In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Sonnet as a writing partner, step by step, so you can create better content faster with less stress. Whether you're writing blog posts, scripts, emails, marketing copy, or even social captions, Claude Sonnet can help you brainstorm, outline, draft, revise, and polish your work in a very natural workflow. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Claude and start a new chat. Once you're in a fresh conversation, the most important thing is to tell Claude exactly what you want to write. Don't just say, write me a blog post. Instead, be specific. Tell it the topic, the purpose, the tone you want, and who the audience is. For example, if you're writing for small business owners, say that clearly. If you want the writing to feel professional, friendly, persuasive, or casual, include that too. The more context you give Claude, the better the result will be. Next, ask Claude Sonnet to create an outline before writing the full draft. This is a really smart step because it helps you shape the structure before you commit to the entire piece. An outline gives you a chance to see whether the flow makes sense, whether the headings are strong, and whether the content is heading in the right direction. You can ask Claude to organize the article into sections, suggest headings, and even recommend the best order for your points. For example, you could say, create an outline for a blog post about remote work benefits for small businesses. Keep it clear, practical, and SEO friendly. That way, Claude can build the framework first, and you can approve it before moving on. Once the outline looks good, ask Claude to write the full draft. At this stage, you can tell it how long you want the content to be, what style to use, and what you want included. If you need examples, call them out. If you want the content to be optimized for search engines, mention your target keyword. If you want the writing to sound more human and less robotic, ask for that directly. Claude responds well to clear, simple instructions. After the first draft is generated, review it carefully. This is where Claude becomes a true writing partner instead of just a text generator. Read through the draft and think about what needs improvement. Maybe the tone is too formal. Maybe the article is too long or too short. Maybe the introduction needs more energy. Maybe the structure needs better transitions. You can then ask Claude to make precise changes instead of starting over from scratch. For example, you can say, make the tone more conversational, shorten the introduction, and add more practical examples in the body. Or you could ask it to make the conclusion stronger and more actionable. This back and forth process is what makes Claude Sonnet so useful. You're not locked into the first version. You can keep refining until the content matches your goals. Another great use case is improving readability and grammar. If your draft feels clunky, repetitive, or hard to follow, ask Claude to simplify it. You can request shorter sentences, cleaner transitions, better paragraph flow, and improved clarity. If you're publishing content online, you can also ask Claude to optimize it for SEO by including target keywords naturally, improving headings, and making the content easier for both readers and search engines to understand. Now let's look at a simple example prompt you can use. I'm writing a blog post about the benefits of remote work for small businesses. Create a 1-3-word article with an engaging introduction, clear headings, practical tips, and a conclusion. Use a professional yet conversational tone and optimize it for SEO. That prompt works well because it gives Claude the topic, the audience, the length, the structure, the tone, and the SEO goal all in one place. You can then follow up with more instructions like add a stronger hook, make the headings more keyword focused, or rewrite this section to sound more persuasive. The key is to treat Claude like a collaborator. Give it direction, review the output, and then refine it in small steps. That's how you get much better results than just asking for one perfect draft on the first try. The more you iterate, the more useful the final version becomes. So to recap, open Claude, explain what you want to write, define your audience, ask for an outline first, review the draft, request changes, improve readability and SEO, and keep refining until it feels right. That simple workflow can save you a huge amount of time and help you produce stronger writing with much less effort. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI writing tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to build reusable Claude prompts for blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, and social media content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.